back everyone! I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEAM activities. In the last video, we talked about how to make and grow crystals at home. In this video, let's talk about the science behind it. Do you remember that I asked you to put borax in hot water? Borax is dissolved in hot water much easier than in cold water. That means hot water can hold more molecules than cold water. As the water cools, it can hold fewer borax molecules. The borax molecules, which the water cannot hold anymore, start to crystallize onto any surface they stick to. They find out the pipe cleaner and stick to it. This is how and why crystals are formed. This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye!